Hi gang, we're going to quickly go through the components of the OdinSight Meter Kit. So here we have our kit, our pretty much waterproof casing. I'm going to open it up. So inside we have a cable that's going to connect our ultrasonic meter to the OdinSight box and to the meter. We have the power supply. We have a cellular register, and under here are the electronic components that make the meter and the cellular register communicate. On the side here, we have our connection points. So the black one is keyed. It has a slight pattern that matches in here. You can see these. So I'm just simply going to slide this into there until it clicks. There's an orange gasket on them that will need to be lubricated with silicone lubricant so it slides in easier. And then on the meter cable, simply, this is also keyed. It has a slight notch in it. So that notch is going to match up with the notch in here. And so we are going to simply screw that in to power the meter. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and plug in my meter kit to an outlet. And we can see that we've got lights. That means that it is powered up and ready to go. And we're ready to connect our meter. In theory, this would be connected to already clamped onto a pipe, but for demonstration purposes, we're just going to go ahead and go through the programming here. I will use show a different video where we go through the installation process. So that's the initial setup, and we will go through meter programming next.